Yo, I know see Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging channel.
Welcome back my viewers. Welcome back my subscribers. Welcome back my family sub. Welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. Welcome back to another update. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great, viewers. I hope you know what they do, So what? Just do the, like, comment and share. And if you are new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When you do so, just turn on the notification bell, put it for all. So when I drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Adds a place on the video, so watch out for me now. Thanks for doing so, viewers. Here we are going now. Just about 2 days ago, I posted a video on my channel about this road here, Ackee Parade. Set a Sun Island Sun. Well, today are the asphalt paving, viewers and subscribers. That them I do to it today, So in order for you to see it, and we go, and we are going with details and make you see things, So remember, speak your mind down in the comment section, viewers. We say me now I said already again, but then keep on a comment and they say we must practice it. I just remember a little list tongue, just slight little list tongue, so that create the problem, Yes, so today, as we say, is asphalt paving. So just continue watch the video, lot more for you to see, lot more for you to learn, because we are going with details and things. So line with the machine, make sure the machine is straight, make sure everything alright, so when them start them work, not itching and not stumbling. Okay, viewers, bless up to each and everyone. Hope you all enjoy this video.
Our viewers, the fluid they upon me still, but my work upon it, man, we soon get rid of it, man. Now stay too long. Okay?
So as me say, viewers, today Ackee Parade, yeah, feed time after the road, the time and over get it asphalt paving right now. And remember, this road take you back and forward to Cedar Valley in St. Thomas. So if you know Cedar Valley, you ever been to Cedar Valley traveling on this side, Marriott Bay side, you have to pass this road, viewers and subscribers, so you know exactly where I'm talking. Okay, viewers and subscribers, request to all the people, no matter where you come from, if you leave St. Thomas a while, you tune into the channel, you see what's going on in your community, your district, overall in Jamaica. That's what my channel is for. You get what I say, viewers? So what we say, continue watch the video, because we'll get now with details, machine line up. Yes, Whitehead, go and do your thing, And the next thing again, viewers, I don't have much to say. Why? Because the flu is on me. Yeah, man, the flu is upon my viewers. So, I say, the other day, through the rain, and more time hot and the rain come down, but I say, we just catch up this flu here. But I work on it still, so won't get rid of it. So, just continue to watch the video, Asphalt paving this, Ackee Parade, St. Thomas the road, I take it to Cedar Valley. So my viewers, here we go. As you can see, start, bro. Start the ball and roll, Asphalt paving, So it's a Ackee Parade this. So remember, a cement and asphalt response for years, so I them response to the side and contract, I them response to this. Coming from Trinityville to Cedar Valley. So what them doing now, the asphalt has been stopped right at Michael Black. If you know Cedar Valley good, you will know exactly where I'm talking, right? Right on a Banana River, that's where it stopped. So what them do here, so them take this now go to Trinityville, because on Trinityville side it stopped right at Somerset Crossroad. So they must start from here, so now go back to Somerset Crossroad, go join up on that one down there, so. Then now them come back here, so, and take here, so go right to Banana River. So you can see Cedar Valley almost finished. You You know what I say, viewers? Yeah, the paving almost finished up on Cedar Valley side. It now pave right through. Cause remember there's a major wall that a built up there where no road construction will start on that side. The wall have to finish first. So Cedar Valley don't finish at 100% asphalt as yet, viewers. Open all understand. But if you ask me how much percent finish at Cedar Valley, I tell you Cedar Valley is about 75% of asphalt so far. Okay? Hope you all understand what I'm saying to you. Continue watch the video. Check out the measurement, check out the thickness, check the level, check the details now, viewers. So as I said, viewers, remember, speak your mind down in the comment section. What you people think. Is that it too early for you to put asphalt? Remember I told you, 2 days ago, we show you them a Sun and Eyeless Road. And in the 3rd day, asphalt paving start to put on it. So what you believe? Too early for that? Speak your mind down in the comment section. That's where to get active. Okay, viewers and subscribers. So Mr. Continue watch the video. Hope you all enjoy it. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, as I can see, what Smith and Asphalt has been trying to do or planning to do is just to complete this asphalt paving on this side. Okay? Because I guess after this, they are going to make some drain and them something, but they want to complete the asphalt first, then them can pay attention to the draining. So I don't know if it's that the wrong approach, or them should make the draining first, then them put the asphalt. Remember, the comment section is there for you to speak your mind. We all are taxpayers, you know. Okay, viewers? Yeah, we pay tax, so speak your mind down there, so. Okay, viewers and subscribers. So it's a continue watch the video, you know. A lot more for you to see and to know. Okay, let's give you some close-up details. Take a good look. Well, at least now, viewers, Cedar Valley people can get a little relaxed more. Because driving from Cedar Valley to Morant Bay is not an easy journey. Not an easy journey. So you see the asphalt that's taking place little by little, more been adding, adding. You know, it make the driver even himself can relax and can keep passenger back and front more better. The passenger himself can travel with a more relaxed, you know, in a more relaxed manner. So doing this is a very good thing, viewers and subscribers, for Cedar Valley people. So let's say can relax more. Honestly, for true. Even you with a private vehicle I drive go to me, I tell you more time. One time you have to stop and take a 5. Because the driving alone tired through the condition of the road, viewers and subscribers. So this is a great thing towards Cedar Valley people. I know they're proud of it. I know they're glad of it. Okay, viewers? So my viewers and my subscribers, now that we bring it to you to let you know that Ackee Parade in St. Thomas, the road that take you to Cedar Valley back and front, back and forward has now asphalt. Okay, so it is there for the motorists now to utilize it in the right way. Okay, viewers and some subscribers, so if you're new and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much for subscribing. If you leave a like, thank you very much for a like. You watch out the ads, thank you very much for doing so, man. So now that you come to the end of another video, see you people in the next video, see you travel upon the gravel, the development of St. Thomas continue.